Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this interesting problem. If 8 power x plus 1 divided by 8 power x is 9, we are going to find the value of 2 power 9x plus 1 divided by 2 power 9x. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. Let's recall this cubic identity a plus b whole cube. And let's assume that this a is our 8 power x and this b is 1 divided by 8 power x. Then our this above equation could be written as 8 power x plus 1 divided by 8 power x whole power 3 is going to be equal to, on the right hand side, 8 power x whole power 3 plus 1 divided by 8 power x whole power 3 plus 3 times 8 power x times 1 divided by 8 power x times 8 power x plus 1 divided by 8 power x. And now we can see on the right hand side this 8 power x and 1 divided by 8 power x, they are gone. And one more thing over here on the left hand side, 8 power x plus 1 divided by 8 power x is 9. So I'm going to replace this one by 9, and likewise this one once again is equal to 9. So therefore left hand side could be written as 9 power 3 equals to 8 power x whole power 3 plus 1 divided by 8 power x and whole power 3, and then plus 3 times this thing is 9. And on the left hand side, this 9 power 3 is 729, and this right hand side 3 times 9 is 27, as you can see in this next step. Now let's focus on this part, this term 8 power x and then whole power 3, and here I have copied it down. Now let's recall this power rule of exponents. According to this rule, this could be written as 8 power 3 times x is going to become 3x. And now let's focus on this base 8. 8 could be written as 2 power 3. Therefore, we can write this one as 2 power 3 and then whole power 3x. And now we are going to apply this power rule once again. So this could be written as 2 power 3 times 3x is going to become 9x. So therefore, I am going to replace this part by this 2 power 9x, and likewise this part in the denominator 2 power 9x as well. So therefore, this equation is going to become 729 equals to 2 power 9x plus 1 divided by 2 power 9x plus 27. And now let's go ahead and subtract 27 from both sides. So this positive 27 and negative 27 is gone. So therefore we can write this 2 power 9x plus 1 divided by 2 power 9x equals to 729 minus 27 is going to give us 702. So thus our simplified answer turns out to be a 702. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.